Hi everybody, in this video I will explain you what is the day-to-day activities of a software tester, QA tester. I will also explain you what is a sprint, how Jira is used in test management and also what are user stories. For people who are already working in software testing career like manual testers or automation testers, and if they do not know how to answer this question in job interview, once the interviewer asks what are your day-to-day activities, few people might be facing challenges how to answer properly in an organized way. So in this video, at the end of the video, I have also given one sample answer. So you can understand, you can note down or you can prepare in that way. That will be an appropriate answer for this question, what are your day-to-day activities? Watch this video till the end because software testing people will get lot of information from this video. First, disclaimer. The day-to-day activities I am going to explain you in this video differs from company to company. At the same time, it also differs from the experience of the candidate also. So the first thing that a software QA tester does is after logging to their work laptop or their office, the first thing they do is they check their emails. They check their emails for any new updates from their team lead or team managers or from the team. For any updates or escalations, they check their email. Here, I want to specify emails does not mean Gmail. Emails are their company assigned emails. So every day they do that. After checking emails, the software QA tester, they log into their Jira sprint board and they check for any new user stories that are assigned to the software QA tester. User stories, lot of people might have this question, what are user stories? Now let me explain you what is a user story. One big software project is divided into many small parts. Each part is called as a sprint. Inside each sprint, there might be 5 to 15 user stories. Sprint are nothing but small part of the software, right? Inside each and every sprint, there will be many features and many functionalities. On each and every feature, there will be one user story. So we can say user story is the description of the feature or functionality. So as a software tester, we understand the requirement and we test the feature keeping users in our mind. How users use that feature and functionality. I'll give you one example. We all use e-commerce, some or the other platforms. Let me take an example of Flipkart. When you install Flipkart mobile app in your smartphone and as a user, if you want to use that platform, what are the steps you perform? You first register with your email ID or with your phone, right? Then phone verification, email verification happens. Then you log in. Then you search for the product. You check the details of the product. You add the product in your cart. You go to the checkout page, proceed to payment, pay, OTP, and then the order is placed. So there is a step-by-step process that user has performed for that one particular feature. So these features, the step-by-step process will be mentioned in the user story. And depending on the user story, the team lead or manager, they will assign this user story or the task to QA tester. So in each and every user story, certain task will also be assigned to the software testers. Who assign the task? Team leads or managers or seniors in the testing team, they assign tasks to their juniors. Now in this task also different type of task will be assigned to the software testers depending on what stage the project is right now. So the task can be classified into 3 types. First type, when the project has just started, the project development or the product development has just started, at that time software testers might get this kind of task, understanding the requirements of the product or understanding the requirements of the features. So understanding the requirement becomes a task in the user story. In this task, the software QA testers, they will understand the documents. If they have any questions, they'll go back to the team lead or manager or business analyst, BA. So BA people, business analyst will also guide the testing team in understanding the requirements of the features and functionalities. So in some project which are just starting, so this can be the first task. Second type of task, if the project has already started, then in the second task, QA software testers will be given tasks like write test cases. So a QA tester will write only test cases. The whole day they will be only writing test cases. On an average, a software tester might write test cases from 5 to 20 test cases. Usually a tester writes depending on their experience. So might be a 2 years experienced candidate might write 5 test cases, whereas a 6 years experienced tester might write 15 to 18 or 20 test cases also. So writing test cases is also one task in the user story. The third type of task is executing the test cases. When you write the test cases, you also have to execute them. So a software tester, while executing the test cases, if they find any defects, issues or bugs, they report the same in bug reporting system. Now Jira is a tool. Jira is also called as a test management tool where bugs can be reported or updated. Now software tester will also have to take the responsibility of making sure whatever bugs are reported by him or her, those bugs are also worked by the development team. The development team works on the bugs. At the same time, they close the bug also. The software tester has to take that responsibility also. So these are the 3 tasks that are usually assigned to a software tester in a user story. Now, apart from user stories, the software QA tester also checks their sprint board. In sprint board, they understand how far the sprint has come to completion. What is sprint? Let me explain you that. Sprint is a small part of a complex software development project. In other words, a project is divided into small parts. Each and every part is called as sprint. So a project might have multiple sprints also. Each and every sprint will also have a scheduled time limit. For example, 2 weeks or 4 weeks. So it is the development and software testing team's responsibility to make sure that they are completing the sprint within the time schedule, 2 weeks or 4 weeks. So that is how sprint are planned. Who creates the sprint, or what are the user stories, features and functionalities that has to be added in the sprint? Who makes sure that sprint is updated in Jira? Usually Scrum Master or business analyst or the managers, senior managers, if any person are there in the project, they will upload or update the sprint in Jira. End of the day, a software QA tester, they also attend stand-up meetings or scrum call or stand-up meetings. In few companies, they are also called as daily connects. Now what is a stand-up meeting? It is a meeting which is conducted every day, and in stand-up meeting, development team, software testing team, scrum master, BA and a very important person, product owner, they all meet and they discuss the challenges they are facing in the project, in the sprint, and what are the improvement they should do to make sure they are able to complete the sprint on time. All these things will be discussed on a daily basis. So that kind of meeting is called as stand-up meeting or scrum call or daily connect. Now a software tester also participates in this kind of meeting where he explains his challenges or the issues that he is facing, any fight between the development team and testing team. All these things will be discussed in this stand-up meeting also. So this is how day-to-day activities of a software tester usually is. So I hope you have understood the concept. Now the very important part of this video, I will give you one sample answer. When in interview, if the HR or the technical person asks you, what are your day-to-day activities, then how to answer this question, you will understand now. This question is definitely important because there are many people who are working as manual testers or they are not able to frame their answer in English. They find some challenges. This answer will definitely help them to organize their answer. You can pause this video and you can write down the answer for your preparation. Now in interview, if someone asks you, okay, so my day-to-day activities look something like this. I log into my work at 10 AM and after login, I immediately open my email and check my emails. So for any updates from my team lead, manager, my team members, I also make sure that I'm replying to them as well. After checking my emails, replying to the emails, I take a small 5 minutes tea break. I go to the pantry area, I take tea or coffee, come back to my desk and then log into my Jira. While checking my Jira updates, I check my sprint board and I also check what is the status of the user stories. And if any new user story or any new task is assigned to me by my seniors, I check that. And right now, the project I am working in, right now my task is writing test cases. So till yesterday, I was only writing test cases only. Every day I write approximately 6 to 10, sometimes 12 test cases also. In my previous projects, I also used to execute the test cases, and if any defects found, I used to report the bug also. So on an average, in my previous projects, on an average, I used to execute 10 to 15 test cases. I usually used to execute them. And I take a lunch break at 1 p.m. afternoon, and I take 45 minutes lunch break. I go to the cafeteria, eat my lunch, come back, and from 1:45 again I start working on my task. So till 6:30 I will be working on my task. In between I will be checking my emails, I will be checking for Jira updates, any new updates has come to me or not. All these things I will be discussing or I will be working on. If I find any difficulty, I used to check with my team lead. In feature requirements, I used to contact my BA also, business analyst. I used to check with them, understand the requirements also. Every day 6:30 we have our stand-up meeting. So by 6:30 I used to make sure everything is updated, everything I have completed my task. 6:30 I used to go to the conference room where the whole development team, testing team, everyone, all the project stakeholders, we used to assemble there. And there we used to discuss about our activities, the challenges that we are facing, everything we used to attend in that 6:30 stand-up call. So 6:30 we used to start the stand-up call and it used to continue for 45 minutes or 1 hour. 7:15 or sometimes 7:30 I used to come back to my desk and I used to log out from my work. So this is how my day-to-day activities are. If you answer in this way, that yes, it will look like a very organized answer, very well prepared answer kind of thing. So what did you feel about this video? Let me know in the comment section of this video. I hope you have gotten a very clear idea what are the day-to-day activities of a software tester. If you still have any questions, you can definitely put down your questions in the comment section of this video. And if you like this content, please click the like button, and first time viewers, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sushmita Madhu. This is my English channel. I also have a very active Telugu channel named Pashams. So check my both my channels, and thank you so much. Namaste.